got to go all the way over. Okay, keep going. Okay, careful. We're gonna set it down on the ground now.
There.
Okay. Yeah, you're gonna have to struggle a little bit. You know, older days, fun, right? Okay, we're gonna lift this up and set it here on the frame. Okay.
On the floor.
Okay, right like that. Okay. Now, you see, this one, we're going to lift it up and slide it in there. But all I want to do right now is concentrate. I'm getting it moved over, and I'm wondering. Inside joke there. Okay. We're going to slide. We're just going to slide it. Okay, slide it my way a little bit. Easy. And I've got tape on the glass door just to make sure it doesn't fall out or anything. Okay, I want you on this side here. See where our groove is at the bottom. I want to slide that over just now. I'm not concentrating on lifting it up. I'm just concentrating on getting this edge over onto that, okay? All you have to do is kind of guide it. Just gonna make sure I get lined up a little bit better. I'm gonna slide it your way a little bit. Okay? Does it look like I want to push it in just a hair more? It's hitting there. I'm going to push it in as far as I can up to those grooves before I lift it. Okay? Now see at the bottom where it has to fit into the groove?
Yeah.
Look down there at the very bottom. See this edge here?
Mm-hmm.
This edge has to go over that. So I'm going to push it. No. I'm going to push it out to you just a little bit at the bottom, right?
Right.
Think that's going to go over now?
I think so.
And let's see. Okay, I'm going to slide it. Make sure. Okay, there.
Okay, so
Is it? It's in the groove, right? Okay, so basically, if I let go of it, here, back up a little bit. If I let go, it's going to stay there by itself, right? Look at that. I'm just right now, currently just lining up.
the whole wall should be.
Right, so hang on to this over there, because the last thing I want to do is just make any assumptions at this point. I'm going to slide this over where it looks like it's going to go. Now, the next step is I've got to lift this up and fit over that groove. That's the tricky part. Okay, that's coming up. Can we do it?
We have to.
We have to do
We
it.
have to.
Okay, hang on to that. Let's put our thinking caps on. I think I ate my Wheaties this morning. Did you?
Yes, I did.
Now I'm thinking on this. There's two ways I could do it. I could maybe lift it right there and do it, but I'm not feeling very comfortable with that because I can't really grab this. The other thing would be to open the glass door. Then I could get in there like this and lift it up, and I think that's what I'm going to do, okay? So once I lift this, once I open this, I'm going to have you kind of hold on to the glass door just so it doesn't like want to bang around, or if this comes out or something. The last thing I want to do is break this glass, okay? Yeah, so I'm taking all the precautions necessary, so I guess I could pull this tape off. And we put this blue tape up there just to keep the door from banging around when we took it off initially. And I'm glad we used the blue tape rather than just regular masking tape, because this has been on there for, what would you say, over a week and a half, maybe? And it won't leave any residue on the glass. That looks pretty clean. Okay. It was some feat for them to ship this and not have this glass door break. I'm not quite sure how they did that, but they did. Okay, so now, see this door is pretty heavy. Okay, I'm gonna have you hold that door like that. Then I think I can get in here. Wow, this is still kind of funky too, because I'm just not tall enough to get up there, but at least I think this will help me though, because I can put my whole hand here. Okay, the last thing I want you to do is try to lift with that, okay? All you're gonna do is situate that. You ready for this? Huh? Okay, hang on. Don't get too rambunctious there.